Shelly-Anne. Shelly-Anne. Who is you? Where is Shelly-Anne?
Well, my sister's not home, but I'm her younger and single sister, Stacey. Hi.
Bloodclat. I was here to make her my vampire queen.
You're like a vampire? Like a vampire or like Twilight?
No. Them vampire Batman. Me and the real thing. When will your sister be home?
Well, I don't think she's coming home tonight, but I mean, if you want somebody to seduce, you can seduce me. I mean, you can fuck anyone. Ow. That hurts.
Me no suck girl blood. Me use needle and tuck it out.
Fancy. That's fancy. I like that.
You don't seem to be afraid of me. Mongoose looking on.
No, I'm actually kind of turned on.
You are strange. But you seem to be a freaky girl. A freaky girl. Is the one me love.
Okay.
I shall make you a vampire matey.
Oh, so I can't be wifey?
No.
Why?
Matey, me say.
Okay. Fine. Are you gonna invite me now?
Yeah.
Wait. I have a question. Since like you're dead and all, right? I'm just wondering, does your cocky still work?
Because you have such big muscles and
Don't call me pussy.